Yes, this is the NoirGear Z1, the latest production from NoirGear. I think this is the first time ever a local brand developed and produced an aluminum keyboard. Today I built this keyboard with case and foam plate, FR4 plate with poron gaskets, Gateron Pro Milky Yellow, and some cheapo Japanese root XDA profile keycaps. Here you can see closer details of the keycaps, switches, and plate used. The keycaps are amazing for the price. Consistent and crisp printing, thick and really smooth. My only concern is there are no home key bump on F and J keys. But for 200,000 rupiahs, what can you expect? Enough with the keycaps. This keyboard has a 65% layout with exploded arrow keys and a knob on top. Did I mention this keyboard is gasket mounted? Yes it is. Now let me shut up and let's hear it clacking. My verdict, it is very refreshing that a local brand is brave and good enough to produce such a keyboard. It's really fun to build and the typing experience is worth every rupiah. Priced at 2.99 million rupiah, I think, this thing worth your money and your patience. Peeps that have pre-ordered should be smiling with joy. Cheers!